Romulus and Remus. This is a poem. This poem is written by Paul Perrault. And this poem is based upon a myth. Myth means a traditional story which embodies a belief regarding some facts. According to Roman mythology, Romulus and Remus were the founders of the city of Rome. They were children of Rhea Salvia and Mars. Now, please open page number 14 from your book. Romulus and Remus were twins. Their father was a god called Mars, who had a planet named for him, and lots of chocolate bars. Romulus and Remus, their father was God, whose name was Mars, and a planet was also named after him, and a lot of chocolate bars. They had a wicked uncle who threw them in the river to die. Here, wicked means evil. They have a evil uncle with a bad thought he has, and he threw them in the river to die. But they were rescued by a wolf who happened to pass by. When the wicked uncle of Romulus and Remus threw them in the river, they were rescued. They were saved by a wolf who happened to pass by, who was passing by that site. The wolf pulled them from the river and took them back home to her den. The wolf pulled them out from the river and took them to her den. She took them to her den where she lives. She dried them off and fed them milk. She dried their clothes and she fed them milk. उन्हें वो जो पानी में से उनको निकाला वुल्फ ने, उन्हें वो ड्राई की और फिर उन्हें मिल्क दिया. Until they were healthy again. She took care of both the children until they were healthy again. Before long, a shepherd found them and took them back home with his wife. Then after, a shepherd found them and he took them with his wife. एक शेफर्ड ने उन दोनों बच्चों को जैसे ही देखा वो अपने घर ले गया अपनी वाइफ के साथ. The couple raised them as their own. They had a happy life. जो शेफर्ड थे और उनकी जो वाइफ थी, दोनों ने मिलकर उन दोनों बच्चों को बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से बड़ा किया, जैसे कि वो दोनों बच्चे उनके अपने हों, और वो बहुत ही अच्छा एक हैप्पी लाइफ जी रहे थे. The twins grew into big, strong men. Both the children grew into a strong men, both leaders with lots of allies. Here allies means those who are ready to help one another. दोनों ही एक लीडर की तरह बड़े हुए और दोनों ही में ये नेचर थी एक दूसरे की हेल्प करने की, किसी की भी हेल्प करने की उनके ये नेचर में था. They planned to build a city where their friendly wolf first heard their cries. वो वहाँ एक शहर बनाना चाहते थे जहाँ पे उनका वो वुल्फ जो उन्हें सेव किया था, वो पहली बार जहाँ उन्हें रोता हुआ सुना था, वो उस एरिया में एक शहर बनाना चाहते थे. But the twins could not quite agree on the exact location, but they differ in their views related to location. दोनों ही चाहते थे सिटी बनाना, लेकिन दोनों ही का व्यू लोकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग डिफर था. कोई चाहता था कहीं और किसी और लोकेशन पे, दोनों ही अलग अलग लोकेशन पे चाहते थे. They had a nasty falling out. It means they had a serious argument between them. उनके बीच बहुत ही ज्यादा सीरियस बात बहस हुई. An angry Altercation, it means that बहुत ही ज़्यादा सीरियस, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सीरियस नोट पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा दोनों के बीच लड़ाई झगड़े हुए. And one thing I would like to tell you, Romulus at this point he became angry and killed the Remus. Romulus यहाँ पे एंग्री हो जाता है और रेमस को मार देता है झगड़े के दौरान ही. And Romulus was the victor and very soon became the king of the great city that he named after his own name. और जीतने के बाद वो एक बड़े शहर का किंग हो जाता है, राजा हो जाता है, जिसका नाम वो अपने नाम के ऊपर देता है. यस, रोमियोस फाउंडेड रोम. जैसा कि मैंने आपको चैप्टर के स्टार्टिंग में भी बताया, रोमियोस फाउंडेड रोम. इट्स वेयर द नेम केम फ्रॉम. और यहां से ही इस शहर का नाम रोम मिला. ऑल्दो आई हैव ऑफन वंडर्ड व्हाई इट्स रोम इंस्टेड ऑफ रोम. यहाँ जो पोइट हैं वो बोलते हैं, फिर भी वो इस पे बहुत ही वंडर करते हैं कि इसका नाम ROME रोम ना होकर ROM रोम क्यों नहीं था. इट मीन्स दैट both the twins Romulus and Remus were the founder of Rome, city Rome. So that's all students. Thank you.